How to create electronic signature in MS Word. Yes, MS Word. I'm not going to use another software like Illustrator, Photoshop or CorelDRAW. I'm simply going to create electronic digital signature in MS Word. And how can we do that? Let's start. First of all, you need to open your Word document, whatever you have, and then simply go to the file, click on file, and then click on this options, then click on this customize ribbon, and then here you can see popular commands. Click on it, then you will see tool tabs. Click on it. Perfect. Then here you can see pens. Click on it, and then click on this add button. Okay, now click on this OK. Perfect. Now here you can see pens tab on the top. Click on it, then select your pen, then here you can set your color whatever you want. Click on it. Perfect. Then simply draw the signature like you draw on the pen. Okay, now here you can see, so that's how you can simply create electronic signature. And then you need to select the fragments of your signature, press Ctrl key and select all parts of your signature, then right click, and then here you can see group. Click on group. Perfect. So all fragments of your signature are grouped together. Now you can resize it and put wherever you want. So that's how you can create electronic signature in MS Word. But that's not an actual way to put your signature on Word document. If you really want to put your original signature, then you have to take photo of your signature, or you can scan your signature and then save it as picture on your computer. And then you need to go to the insert tab, click on picture, and then click the picture of your signature, and then click on insert, and then your picture will be inserted in Word document. Then here you can see, click on format, click on wrap text, click on in front of text. Now go to the here, now resize it. Okay, now delete the older one. Okay, now resize it and paste it here. So that's an actual way to put your original signature in Word document. But if you want to create your electronic digital signature in MS Word, then the way I showed you, using this pen tabs, you can create your electronic signature, draw your digital signature in MS Word. So if this video helped you, like and comment. So thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.